Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As for today, our group will be presenting Kingdom Animalia, subtopic Arthropoda. The presenter will be myself, Hafiz Akram bin Hazi, and my partner will be Siti Nusabina Fifah binti Osman.
Generally, arthropod is an invertebrate animal of the large phylum Arthropoda, such as an insect, spider, or crustacean. In short, we can define it as the largest phylum in the kingdom of mammals. In ancient Greek language, arthros would mean as joint and podium would mean foot. So, arthropod is the animals that lack a backbone.
For the next up is the characteristic of arthropod. There are a total of 5 characteristics that which could be in the arthropods. The first one is the exoskeleton. Exoskeleton provides a large surface area for the attachment of muscle. It also supports its movement, also provides protection from external environment. For the segmented bodies, arthropods have bodies that are internally and externally segmented. The number of segmented depends on the individual species. For joint appendages, all arthropods have joint limbs attached to their hard exoskeletons that allow for flexibility and movement. Their joints generally bend in only one direction, but allow for sufficient predatory and defense action. For biliary system, an arthropod's body can be divided vertically into 2 mirror images. This is called binary system. And arthropods share their symmetry with many other animals such as fish, mice, and even humans. For the open circulatory system, an arthropod has an open circulatory system. This means instead of a closed circulatory system of interconnected veins and capillaries, an arthropod's blood is pumped through open spaces called sinuses in order to reach tissues. An arthropod does, however, have a heart which pumps blood into the hemocoel.
Next, we'll be moving on to the classification of Arthropoda. Subphylum Trilobitomorpha. The trilobites comprise a wholly extinct group of primitive marine arthropods. The flattened, oval body was composed of a head covered by a dorsal shield, a trunk which is thorax, and a terminal segment which is pygidium. Next, for subphylum Chelicerata, this subphylum includes a diverse group of species, including ticks, spiders, and horseshoe crabs. Chelicerates have bodies divided into 2 segments, the prosoma and the opisthosoma. So next, subphylum Crustacea. Crustaceans form a large, diverse arthropod taxon, which includes such animals as crabs, lobsters, crayfish, shrimps, prawns, krill, woodlice, and barnacles.
Subphylum Myriapoda. The group contains over 16,000 species, most of which are terrestrial. Although their name suggests they have myriad, which is 10,000 legs, myriapods range from having up to 750 legs, the millipede limen penises, if you insist, to having fewer than 10 legs. The subphylum Hexapoda, from the Greek word which means 6 legs, constitute the largest number of species of arthropods and includes the insect as well as 3 much smaller groups of wingless arthropods, Collembola, Protura, and Diplura. All of these were once considered insects.
With that, thank you for hearing us. Thank you.